Hello everybody, this is tutorial 2, part 2 of my intestine dress tutorial on how to make it. Our power is back on and our next step is to sew our tendrils or our intestines. I'm going to be making a lot more than just 6, but this is a good start. After you sew all the way on the line to complete your noodles, leave a good amount of space that isn't sewn, so you have a gap that you're gonna hand sew shut, but you're gonna flip them inside out and you're gonna stuff them with stuffing but just make sure you leave space. After you sewed the shape, cut off all of the excess. Trim all the excess and flip it inside out and fill it with stuffing for each noodle. One noodle successfully flipped inside out. Now it is time to fill with stuffing. Repeat the process. And when you're flipping it inside out, use a thick marker if you have one, or a paintbrush to push the fabric through. Second noodle down. Follow for part 3 on the construction of my intestine dress.